SPM, we're building the highest performance electric UTVs here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We developed an electric powertrain for a really good chassis UTV, and we're actually able to get to market and sell this powertrain as a conversion kit. We did the hard part, designing and integrating the powertrain. Now the customer does the easy part, installing it and enjoying the product. The beauty of this proof of concept electric vehicle is that it can actually double as our first product by selling the powertrain as an EV conversion kit called the EVK. The EVK is designed to be installed in less than 1 day without an engineer. It's really just a plug and play product, and it turns your vehicle into an absolute monster from the future. By becoming electric off-road powertrain experts very early, we can sell not only products, but we can also become partners with OEMs for R&D projects. We can get to market in less than a year. We can show demand for electric UTVs. We can prove that the team is highly capable and competent, and then we can expand to bigger powertrain developments and full vehicles. For too long, automotive engineers have had to leave Pennsylvania and Pittsburgh to go work at a high-tech automotive company. That changes with SPM. Owning this vehicle is so simple. You go out, ride it, and when you're done, pull it into your garage and charge from a 110-volt wall outlet. Our production level battery pack is going to be 10 kilowatt hours or 20 kilowatt hours. If our efficiency is 3 miles per kilowatt hour, that means we can get a 30-mile range for the small battery, or we can get a 60-mile range for the large battery. Building a company like this in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania is really important, but we can only do it with your support. So let's rally behind SPM and get this company built.